When working with heavy equipment, always be certain that all safety rules and guidelines are followed in order to protect you and anyone else in the area. Do not permit anyone to stand alongside trench being excavated. Check all component hinge pins and their securing devices often. Be sure outriggers are properly extended before starting operations. Observe extreme caution when operating under low overhead obstructions. Observe extreme caution when excavating where there may be underground wires and pipes. Always use warning signs and proper control procedures when working on roads or streets. Never perform service or repairs on equipment that has not been properly blocked and secured. Travel at safe operating speed. When mounting or dismounting the equipment or trucks, always use the three-point method. When operating or working around heavy equipment, always be sure to wear the following: hard hat, protective goggles, gloves. These safety rules and personal protection equipment are in place to protect you and the people you work with. Please be sure to follow them at all times. How to use a level to check elevations. The tools and equipment that you will need to complete this task are tripod, level, leveling rod. Let's now go through the steps you will need to follow to complete this task. Set up and adjust the level. Refer to the job sheet how to set up and adjust a level if you need to review this process. While your work partner holds the leveling rod at the first checkpoint, sight through the level and take a reading on the leveling rod. Have your work partner use keel to record any difference between the reading and correct elevation, marking H for high or L for low. Example: if the elevation is 5 feet 1.5 inches and the reading is 5 feet 1 3/8 inches, the footing elevation is 1/8 of an inch higher than the correct elevation. Record 1/8 of an inch H on top of footing. Have your work partner move the leveling rod to the next checkpoint. Adjust the level to focus on the next checkpoint. Sight through the level at the leveling rod and take a reading. Have your work partner record any difference between the reading and the correct elevation, marking H for high or L for low. If necessary, repeat steps 5 through 8 for each checkpoint. Once complete, disassemble the level and store it in the carrying case, and then properly put away all of the equipment. You have now completed the steps necessary to complete this job sheet. When you have mastered this task, you will be able to do the following: use a level to check elevations. You have now completed the steps necessary for this job sheet. If you have any questions, please speak with your instructor and then review this program in its entirety.